Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a very unique, one-of-a-kind phone case from the company Carved. If you are interested in purchasing this case after watching this video, then just simply visit carved.com. There's no affiliate links, there's nothing, just check out their website. That's all, so pretty simple. Now, with what you get this case in this little canvas pouch bag here. So you're not getting just a plain Jane box, you're just getting something that you can actually reuse and kind of useful. But it's a canvas bag, it says Bravely there, and then on the back it does say Carved, which once again is the company's name. And then when you open it up, you are greeted with, ta-da, this one-of-a-kind real wood case. This is freaking awesome. I actually reached out to Carved personally and asked them if I could possibly get my hands on some products because I kept on seeing them and kept on seeing them. And normally I don't gravitate towards cases like this. I'm usually more of like a Spigen guy or Caseology or, you know, whatever, just a normal case. And this is a piece of art. Like, this is something different. It's one of a kind, truly. It does say inside, one of one. So when you go to their website, you're going to see a plethora of cases for your phone. But if you notice in the description, it says that what you see is the actual case that you'd be getting. So when you buy that case, that's it. It's gone. Like the one I got here, this is the only one that they have in this particular style. Now, of course, they have other cases that are blue and have the wood, but it's a different look because it's truly one of a kind. It's made from their real wood burls that they have, and it's with colored resin. So they're all made at their shop in Elkhart, Indiana. So they are made here in the United States. Just a really cool story about these. But inside, like I said, you do get this really nice like micro suede kind of material that your phone's going up against. Got that branding there inside. And before I go any further, I do want to apologize. I have a cold. My allergies are just kicking my butt today. I live in Texas. I'm used to this my whole life, but the point is you're listening to me. So I apologize for the sniffles going on and all that. So let's go ahead and jump back into the video, but I just wanted to kind of put a little disclaimer out there. So without further ado now, let's grab my graphite iPhone 13 Pro here and let's slap it in. So easy install, easy peasy. And there we go. So there's the case installed on my iPhone 13 Pro. And you can just see up front, guys, just these beautiful colors. I mean, just the way the light hits it in different directions, you can just kind of see just this natural beauty, the blues and these oranges and browns, and just, it looks really cool. Normally, I'm a plain Jane case kind of guy, but this work of art here just stands out in the crowd, in my opinion. Now, looking at the actual case design, you can see that you do have some raised lips around the actual camera bump, but it's really flat, which I actually like. So they are raised, but they're not just giant lips around it. So it's not just going to make this camera just feel even larger than what it already is, obviously. And then going to the side here, we have a black border. So you got some carved branding there. This really nice textured grip here on the side where your fingers kind of naturally place when you're holding it. A more glossier black raised power button. And then moving to the bottom here, we do have some really nice little cutouts here for the lightning port and our speakers and mic down at the bottom. And then moving to the side here, we do continue to have that really nice texturized grip once again. We do have our glossy raised volume up and down buttons. And then a nice little cutout here for the alert slider. And then moving to the top, there's nothing, but I do want to point out once again how flat that back is. So it's not just a giant back. And then going to the front, we do have some raised lips that are going around the front of the screen. So you're definitely going to get some screen protection out of this case, which you can see it up against my fingers there. There's the look of the front of the case. Let me turn it on. Keep on getting these ESPN notifications. So there's the front, looks good. Tempered glass friendly, that's the way it looks there. So now let's do a couple of my tests that I like to do in my videos. So let's do the wobble test first. So let's do back down. Oh, it is barely moving. I mean, tiny bit, which is to be expected because the 13 Pro has the largest camera bump ever. But the point is it is a little wobbly, nothing bad. Face down, no shakes at all. So pretty good. So wobble test, check. Now let's do the clicky button test. So let's start with the power button first. Volume up and down. Okay, it passes with flying colors with the clicky button test. They are probably, if I had to say, top 2, top 3 as far as very clicky and responsiveness out of all the cases I've tested so far. These are extremely tactile, barely have to push it. It's very responsive. So definitely big 2 thumbs up there. So now let's go ahead and do the MagSafe test, which I haven't talked about it yet, but this case in particular that I have here does actually have MagSafe magnets built into it. So the case, it's $52 on their website, which I think is definitely a steal when you're getting a one-of-a-kind case that was made here in the United States. But you can pay an extra $3.99 to actually get MagSafe magnets put in the case, but you'll never know by looking at it, it has MagSafe magnets. There's no ring inside that you can see. So it's very discreet, which I'm a big fan of. And then let's go ahead and grab a MagSafe charger, which I have one from Carved. So this is the Carved MagSafe charger, which can act as a Qi wireless charger. I will be doing a separate video of this beautiful MagSafe charger, but let's test the capabilities of this case. So I'm going to slap it on and voila, MagSafe capabilities. So you are getting MagSafe charging out of this case. It is pretty strong. Now it's not going to be super strong enough to hold this particular MagSafe charger on it, but with the actual Apple one that I have, it does actually stay on pretty snug and I can swing it around a little bit. But I have actually been able to use this in my vehicle with my MagSafe charger in my car that I have. So it is strong enough to withstand that. So definitely feel comfortable using it in a vehicle with MagSafe accessories. But there we have it, guys. For 50 bucks, you're getting something extremely unique, one of a kind. If your friends say, hey, that case looks really cool, where'd you get it? I want one just like it. They can kind of get one like it, but not exactly like it. So it's pretty cool. So anyways, so there we have it. The case overall definitely is something that I'm kind of fanboying about a little bit because it's just unique. It's a story. It's just cool. It's just a conversation piece. Feels good in the hand. The grip on the sides feel great. Feels very good. The back is obviously anti-fingerprint, anti-smudge. I literally don't have to wipe it down, which is nice. I don't have to use my shirt when, you know, kind of when I get smudges on cases. So it overall is just a good case. I definitely highly recommend it. I've been using it for about 3, almost 4 days now. So there we have it, guys. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, keep on coming back for more, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.